In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change checkout language on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set your store's default language so the checkout, customer account pages, and system messages display in the language your customers expect. This process is quick, and you can change it back anytime. Start by heading to the Shopify website and signing in to your Shopify admin. From the admin dashboard, look to the bottom corner and click Settings. This is where most store-wide controls live. In the Settings screen, find the Languages option in the left-hand menu and click it. This area manages your store's published languages and the default language that powers your checkout and other system-generated content. In the Published Languages section, locate your current default language. Next to it, you'll see a small three-dot icon, often called the More Options or ellipsis icon. Click that icon to open the options for your default language. Choose Change Default. A dialog will appear asking you to select a new default language from a menu. Scroll through the list and pick the language you want to use as your store's default. When you're ready, click Save. That's it. The default language has now been updated. Changing the default language influences your checkout flow, order status pages, and built-in notifications so they align with the language you just selected. It's a great way to give customers a consistent experience, especially if most of your audience shops in a particular language. A few tips to keep in mind as you make this change. First, the default language controls the foundation of your store's system text, but your theme content, product descriptions, and custom sections rely on translations that you or your theme provide. If you already have translations added for your theme and content, they'll appear automatically when the default language is set. If the language you're looking for doesn't appear in the menu, it may not be enabled for your store or supported by your theme. In that case, review your theme's translation options and make sure your store supports the language before trying again. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the checkout to confirm everything looks correct. You can add an item to your cart and click through to checkout to see headings, buttons, and messages in the new default language. If you need to switch back, just repeat the same steps and choose a different default language. That's all you need to change the checkout language on Shopify quickly and confidently.